Hello Scorpio, this will be a monthly love reading for August. Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus. If you have in your birth chart in Scorpio, then this is the reading for you. Please keep in mind, energy can go vice versa or interchangeable. So take it however it resonates. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe my channel King of Cups Tarot. And if you want to book a personal reading with me, please email me. Email ID is given in the description box. Let's start your reading. Seven of Cups, Knight of Swords, Ten of Wands, the World, Queen of Wands, Chariot, Knight of Cups, Ten of Pentacles, Queen of Pentacles, Ace of Cups, and bottom of the deck is Two of Cups. So Scorpio, what is going on? What is going on? Okay, let me tell you, but before that I will tell you the signs present here. Sign is Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces is also there, and Knight of Swords is here, so Gemini, Libra, Aquarius is also here, and Aries, Leo, Sagittarius is also there, and Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn is also present here. Okay, so air sign is there, water sign is there, fire sign is there, earth sign is there. Every single sign is present here. Okay, specifically if you want to know here, that every fixed sign, Taurus, Scorpio, Leo, Aquarius, and Cancer is here, Capricorn is here. Specifically we have these kind of signs. So let's see. So bottom of the deck we have Two of Cups. So okay, so you are dealing with right now your soulmate, twin flame connection. Okay, here if you don't know about this person, how they feel, I can tell you that easily that this person is the feeling same way, that the way you are feeling towards them. Okay, so Two of Cups is here, that means this person loves you. This is the true love connection, and maybe they have not expressed it till now, and maybe they are planning to, but right now they are contemplating basically. Okay, they sense this relationship is very strong bonded, and they could not even think about some other person, even if they are presently they are connected with somebody else. Still they could not forget the relationship between you. Okay, so the Judgment is here just below. That means this person have connected with you in their past, and they want to grow this relationship now. It might have already broken up before, and now they want to just resurrect this relationship from the ashes. Okay, so here they want actually the Ten of Cups. They want to get settled with you. They want to offer you a love, a truthful new beginning. They want to start a commitment. Actually they want to offer you commitment. They want to get settled, happy family, happy life, they want it with you. Okay, so these are the overall energy of this month. But I see that you are also confused however they are also confused. I can see that you are also confused. You are confused because you have seen them with that other person. You know that this person actually is being with somebody else, they are connected with somebody else, but still you are confused by their behavior. Okay, sometimes they behave like they are very interested towards you, but you are very confused that this person is what they want actually. You are confused about that, what they want actually. Okay, so seven of cups is the confusion card. So in other way, if I will see that you are having actually lots of options. Okay, seven of cups is here, so you have lots of options present here, but you are confused between them to choose the right person, but still you will choose that in this month. I can see the future cards. So there is a confusion right now in the beginning of the month, but it will leads to some stability. Okay, here we have knights of swords. So this person actually wants to talk to you. Okay, they actually they are not coming towards you like they want to share their emotions or something. No, they actually want to clear something between you two. Okay, they want to clear the air, and that's why they want to coming they want to come to you, and they want to tell you the truth of their life. Okay, what is they are hiding, they want to tell you. Okay, so they want to tell you the truth of why they have being so weird and all. So they are going through completeness basically. So 10 of wands is a completion card. So right now, in which relationship they are in, it may be presented to them through their uh, either from their home environment, or the relationship they are in right now, it is actually very burdening them basically. So they are right now just pulling this relationship on their shoulder, but uh, right now they are actually about to drop it because they are not ready to keep it for long. Okay, so now they want to drop it, and they want to complete this cycle basically, and now they want to start a new life. Okay, so here again we have the world card is a representation of again the cycle end. So some cycle is about to end in this relationship, and new cycle will begin, maybe with this person or the other person. It will not show you, but it can be actually the same person. So this person wants to clear things out, and they want to start a new chapter. Okay, maybe with you or maybe with somebody else. And in your energy also, I can see that you are also basically starting a new chapter in your life, and you are not going to the past, and you are not discussing about the past now, and you are starting a new phase of your life freshly. Okay, with no baggages. So one of the thing that I can say, that they are very physically attracted towards you. They want to be with you. They are actually, they want to sleep with you. This person actually have very they are fantasizing about you actually in the night and all. So this person wants to be with you basically. They see you as very attractive person, to whom so many people are attracted towards, and they see that so many offers you have right now, and that's why they are fearing that you will accept somebody's offer before them. Okay, so right now they are actually very worried about this, and they are coming towards you. So they are very fast moving energy right now, and they are coming in rush right now, that because they feel that it is the right time to tell you that they love you. If they will not tell, that it will die in their heart actually. So they will be very hurtful afterward. Okay, so they want to tell you and they want to travel towards you, and they will come towards you and then tell you that they want a serious relationship with you. Okay, so here we have Knight of Cups. So they will explain their emotions as well. They will give you all the feed that all the things they hide it. Okay, they will show you every emotions of them. They will tell you that those three magical words as well. Okay, so whatever the situation was before, they are now ready to confront it. Okay, uh, they want to show you that this person has a love for you. Okay, and maybe it will start with the messages. Okay, and then they will be correcting themselves and they will tell you about their emotions. Okay, they will express their emotions. So here we have 10 of Pentacles as well. With this person, I am seeing that this person wants to get settled actually. Even if you want it or not, they will get settled with somebody else also. Okay, so here we have 10 of Pentacles. That means this person wants to be wants a commitment, a long term situation, long term commitment, marriage, this kind of thing this person want actually. Okay, so 10 of Pentacles is the card of get settled, building an empire together and building the relationship together, to be with every means to live a life. Okay, this kind of thing, let's put it like that. Okay, so they want to live a life with you. Okay, so it may be an offer also. They can offer you this kind of relationship. Okay, so you will accept it or not, it's up to you. Okay, because they have corrected themselves. They are coming correct now, and they want to offer you that new beginning. They want to offer you nurturing and caring relationship. That is the Queen of Pentacles. They want to actually they want to even help you build up. Okay, I can see that image, that this person actually wants to help you financially as well. Okay, so Queen of Pentacle is here. That means this person wants to offer you financial stability as well. Okay, so this is the thing. So ultimately this person will express their emotion in the last part of the August. Okay, they will express their emotions, their deep truth inside, their deep emotion inside, overflowing emotions, because they cannot hide it anymore. Okay, they hide it very long, but they try to be with other person, but they still feel the same way towards you. Whenever you comes near them, then they are very emotionally overflow, and they could not actually resist this connection between you two. So Ace of Cups is here. That means this person offers you a new beginning in this August. Okay, so let's pull out the overall outcome for this month for Scorpio. 8 of Swords and 7 of Wands. So I can see that this person has been late. Okay, and I think that you already know that this person is with somebody else, and that's why you are actually resisting this connection. Basically you are feeling very wounded basically, and you are feeling that like you should keep them with the boundaries, and you should not answer them basically. So seven of wand is here, that means this person wants to message you but you will block them, I think. So this is the thing, and that's why, because you know that this person actually now committed to somebody else, and why they are coming now actually. Okay, so you will be very dilemma kind of situation before. Now you are actually clear, and but this person is still thinking about you and feeling about you is still, and but still they think that cannot do anything. So overall energy is coming like that. That means this person may not take that action, but still they will be feeling that all the pain, and they will try to do that in next month or so. I will clarify this card, however I don't clarify, still I will clarify they will do it or not in this week, oh sorry, this month. They will do because they will break free basically. So they want to offer you four of wands basically. This is the card of stability, long term marriage, commitment, these kind of things. Okay, so this person will break free with their bondages, their mental prison. They will break free and they will come in as a king of wands, which is strong cards. They will come strong basically. They will fight for you, they will fight for this connection, and they will express their emotions towards you. So this will be the outcome. Let's pull out a Queen of Moon oracle for you. Peace and discernment. So you don't know basically where this relationship is going. So this relationship is in very unclear, and you don't know this how this person is feeling right now. Because they shows very mixed emotions. Sometimes they shows like they love you, they like you, and next time it's like they don't want to even talk to you. Okay, so peace is here. That means you chose your peace actually. You chose your peace already. So you don't want to be get bothered with this person, because you know that everything will come at the right time and right place. Okay, so you are peaceful right now. You are not taking any action, you are letting them to take action. Okay, so this is your reading, Scorpio. Please like, share and subscribe my channel, King of Cups Tarot. And if you want a personal reading with me, you can book by email. Email ID is given in the description box. Thank you for watching.